Hello guys, I'm in like loaded place right now and I feel so peaceful here because of the snow. It feels very nice and just sunny as well. So I will show you some solutions that I have found for a technical problem. I think it will help you. So check the video, and if it helps you, just subscribe to my channel. See you. Bye. Guys for watching the video. I hope that you found the solution or the solutions helpful, and please consider liking the video, commenting down below, or subscribe my channel, or all of them at once. It will help me a lot. See you. Bye.